Hey guys, welcome back to the world of innovation and convenience. Join us on an exciting journey as we dive into the coolest gadgets that are transforming the way we live and interact with technology. Wainlux G5. Unleash creativity with the Wainlux Z5 laser engraving and cutting machine. This compact device brings designs to life, engraving on anything from leather to even food. Also, it can cut through cardboard and wood up to 0.2 inches thick. A 180-degree rotatable upper part aids design selection. Connect wirelessly or via Wi-Fi and let your imagination soar. Pre-order it in Kickstarter. The Neo Slefie drone is a lightweight, palm-sized camera drone, boasting a 12 megapixels camera for high-quality photos and videos. It features AI autofly for effortless shots, quick social sharing via the Neo app, and ample storage. Enjoy smooth flights, stable hovering, and creative modes to capture your cherished memories with ease. Photonics Multitool. The Photonics 3-in-1 Multitool simplifies gardening and various projects in eco-friendly way. It boasts 3 interchangeable saw attachments for weed cutting, branch pruning, and home improvements. Its removable, recyclable lithium battery delivers power without toxic fumes or excessive noise. Designed for safety and comfort, it suits professionals and beginners. Introducing the Deroma Cyclone Vacuum Cleaner with UV technology, a powerful solution for dust and mites removal. It employs a 1,200 revolutions per minute roller brush and high-frequency vibration pulsing pad driven by a high-speed motor. It thoroughly cleans and sanitizes various fabric surfaces, making life easier. Gpods are unique earpods that change color through a dedicated app. Choose your hue or capture colors from surroundings via the app's photo feature, customizing the earpods. They come with a tiger stripe-adorned detachable case. It's versatile, featuring Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, noise cancellation, and a 20-hour battery. A 10-minute charge provides 2 hours of use. Express your style with Gpods. SwitchBot fingerbot. Control your household appliances with ease using the SwitchBot Bluetooth Smart fingerbot. Compatible with various rocker and one-way switch buttons, it offers flexible control for lights, TVs, and more. Simply attach it with the add-on 3M sticker in 5 seconds and operate through the SwitchBot app within Bluetooth range. Plus, you can enjoy a battery life of approximately 600 days. The Birdfy Smart Feeder. Snap amazing close-ups of birds with ease using this smart bird feeder. It alerts you when birds drop by and takes fantastic photos, once a tricky task. The handy app not only shows the pics, but also offers live streaming and bird ID. Watch birds live, study their habits, and explore 6,000 plus species. It's a must-have for bird fans and shutterbugs. Elevate your driving experience with the Lisen MagSafe Car Mount for iPhone. It's a cutting-edge car phone holder. The MagSafe Car Vent Mount features enhanced protection, a stable steel hook, and strong magnetism. Crafted with premium silicone, it ensures the safety of your phone and car vent. Also, its strong magnet can hold up to 10 iPhone 14 Pro Max devices. Introducing the Handheld Critter Catcher, a safe and eco-friendly solution for catching wide range of pests. With a patented design, it ensures both your safety and the safety of the insects. This trap eliminates the need for harmful chemicals and maintains a bug-free environment. The best thing is, it's not expensive. Bosma Smart Lock. The Bosma Smart Door Lock eliminates key fumbling by opening doors via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Pair it with a fingerprint scanner for extra security, granting temporary access through the app. The activity history feature keeps you informed about arrivals and departures, ensuring authorized access. Submerge Waterproof Wallet. For adventurers, the Submerge Waterproof Wallet is the perfect companion. Built to be durable, it resists ripping and tearing, with a convenient strap for securing during workouts. What sets it apart is its exceptional waterproofing, keeping your valuables 100% safe and dry. Introducing Hollider, a captivating 23-inch transparent screen projector with portable monitor functionality. Enjoy a unique visual experience for Zoom calls, multitasking, or streaming, even in daylight. Immersive displays sync with music or choose dynamic wallpapers for ambience. Elevate the viewing experience and bring a touch of magic to your digital content. That's all, folks. Don't forget to comment which gadget you like the most. See you in the next one.